What is going on, everyone? So in this video we're going to talk about 7 legit ways to make passive income and to make money online. Now there are different ways to make some money, whether it's online or offline. The number one is going to be active income. So active income can be anything that has to do with doing a daytime job, working for hours, doing some Fiverr gigs, for example. All of these, you're going to get paid X amount of money for the amount of time that you're going to put in. So that's going to be active income. And then there's passive income. Passive income is actually when you get paid while you're sleeping. And that sounds amazing, and trust me, it is. However, it doesn't come that easy. So you will have to learn some stuff to actually do that. So you will either have to invest some time, or you'll have to invest some money, or you can do both. Now, all of these, you will have to put some work up front, and then you have to nurture it. At the end of this video, I will be giving you the one thing that you don't have to do anything with. Yes, you will have to invest something, but after a while, you can just sit back, relax, and the money will keep coming in. So that is the ultimate passive income, but in all the other ways, this is going to be able to build you some money while you're actually sleeping anyway. So if you're interested in anything that has to do with personal finance and making money online, make sure you're subscribed, ding that notification bell, and let's get right into number 7. So 7 is Amazon Kindle Publishing. So if you've never written a book before, it doesn't matter. Don't worry, you don't have to do that. But if you want to do Amazon Kindle Publishing, it's a great way to make some money while you sleep. Just because you can go to Fiverr, just find a subject that you want to talk about, and then get someone on Fiverr that knows what they want to talk about. Get them to write the scripts, and then you can get someone to have the book cover or design the book cover yourself using something like Canva. And then you can use Amazon's huge customer base and just sell your ebooks there, your Kindle books there. That's an amazing way to make money. You can publish as many books as possible. You'll probably have to launch quite a few books, but after a while, you're just going to make some money while you sleep, and some people have had amazing success with that. And you can go out, walk your dog, you can go out, go out partying, doing something else, and your money will be coming in. So number 6 is going to be Shutterstock. Now Shutterstock is a platform where people can buy pictures, and that's a great platform if some people just want to buy pictures to hang on their walls, to do whatever they want with it. And on that platform, since people are ready to buy some things, then you can actually sell them. So if you're good at taking photos or have amazing places to take photos or something like that, then you can get into that, take some photos. If you like taking photos, take a photo of whatever you want. Maybe it's going to be some cool backgrounds, maybe it's going to be some cool pictures of mountains or the ocean or anything, and you can upload them to Shutterstock, and you won't make a huge amount of money when doing that, but you can still make some passive income doing that. When you sleep, you'll be able to make some money. So you will have to keep uploading pictures after pictures quite a lot, because just like Kindle Publishing, you want to put as many pictures as possible. But if you do like taking some pictures, then you can do that and then sit back and relax. Now number 5 is going to be print on demand. Now print on demand is an amazing thing to do, because you don't actually have to buy some stock to get some t-shirts or get whatever you want. Instead, you can just upload some pictures of whatever you want. You can have your own designs, maybe influence yourself by some trends that are going on, influence yourself with events that are going on, because that will help you sell your t-shirts a lot easier. And there's tons of videos on YouTube about how to do print on demand, but print on demand is an amazing way to make some passive income, because just like the others, you can make money when you're sleeping. Because once you upload your designs and you have your Shopify store, or maybe you have your Etsy store, then these are going to be some great ways where people can come on your website, they'll order some stuff, from you, but you don't have to ship them. It'll go straight to the person who's actually, or the company that's printing your t-shirts or your mugs or whatever you want to sell, and send it right to the customer. So you don't have to do anything, you just sleep and the money will be coming in. Now there are some skills that you have to learn to do print on demand, but it's a great way to make some money, and some people are making a huge amount of money doing that and making money while they're sleeping, while they're doing whatever they want to do. So number 3 is going to be affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, there's a zillion different ways to do this. You can create a blog, create TikTok videos, create whatever you want, and I suggest if you're just starting out to create some TikTok videos. You do need to get to 1,000 followers before you actually put a link to your affiliate product. This is an amazing way to make money. That's how I make a lot of my money on TikTok. I just post some videos, and then when I wake up, I usually get some commissions. So that's a very good way to make some money, because you're just sleeping, and when you wake up, you get some commissions. You don't have to deal with clients, customers, or shipping, or dealing with customer support. Nothing like that. There's literally nothing that you have to do apart from marketing. So you'll have to post some videos on TikTok, but this can take you 1 to 2 hours per day, and that's it. And some people are making more than 6 figures and 7 figures. So TikTok is the place to do affiliate marketing, but you can also do blogging. You can do some, like anything basically where you can post a link, you can do that. Make sure that you provide some value if you're trying to do that. But it's a very good way to make some passive income, because when you sleep, you do that and that's it. There's literally nothing that you have to do apart from post some content. Or doing paid ads, which is another way to do it, but I don't do paid ads. The next one is number 2, and that is going to be YouTube. YouTube is an amazing platform, because when you post some videos, you can post a video one day, and then a year from then, 2 years from then, 10 years from then, you can still be making some money, because YouTube is actually paying you to make some videos when you see people with ads. Now, I'm not monetized myself right now, because you do need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which I don't have quite yet. So make sure you watch some playlists and stuff like that, subscribe, ding that bell, and watch all of my videos until the end, because that's what's helping people. So that's one thing that I want to make sure that you do. When you actually make a YouTube videos, you want to make sure that the title and thumbnails are good, that you get a good click-through rate, and that most people watch until the end of the video. The more people that watch until the end of the video, the more your channel will grow, the more YouTube will recommend your stuff, and the more watch time you will get. So that's one thing that I struggled with quite a bit at the beginning of this channel. It's still not where I want it to be, obviously, but after a while you will be just getting paid for putting out some YouTube videos. Now the thing is, it doesn't end there. That's one way to do absolutely nothing and get paid when you're doing some YouTube videos. But you can also do some affiliate marketing. You can also sell your courses. You can also do whatever you want basically and make some money that way. So YouTube is basically a huge platform where you can post some ads on of whatever you want to sell and talk about whatever you're passionate about. For me, it's an online business. Don't talk about a zillion different things either, because I'm interested in some other stuff as well. But I do focus on online business and investing. So if you want to create a YouTube channel, it's a very good way to make some money. Tons of people are becoming millionaires just with that. Now, the next one is number 1, and that is going to be stocks, or investing in the stock market. Because stocks are the one thing that there's literally nothing that you have to do. You do have to do some research when you first start. You will have to invest some money. So start off with one of these 6 other points that I talked about. And then when you get that money, instead of spending it on the next best thing, the new iPhone, a new car or something else, instead you want to focus on putting it down into the stock market, because you can invest in some things like dividend stocks. So dividend stocks could be maybe Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Starbucks. All these companies actually pay you some money just for owning a stock. So stock is part of a company. So when you own a stock, they will basically pay you some money to do that. Now, to actually make a living, you will have to invest over a long period of time. Don't try and time the market. Instead, try and put some time in the market. What I mean by that is you're going to invest every single month as much money as possible, and after a course of 5, 10, 20, 80 years, you name it, you will be able to make some more and more money, especially once it starts growing, because it is exponential. That's the power of compound interest. So that's an amazing thing to do, because it just grows and grows over time. At first you're not going to get very much, but if you invest all the time, you're going to make more and more and more all the time. So that's a great way to make some money. You can also invest in some index funds, which are basically a basket where you have a bunch of stocks, and that's also a great way to make some money, because you are diversified and it's a lot less risky to do that. I have some videos on stock investing which I will put in the description, as well as affiliate marketing and TikTok with affiliate marketing. Those will be both in the description, both playlists, so that you can get more into depth if you're interested in one of these ways. So if you want to learn more, make sure that you're subscribed, watch those playlists, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.